we say that A is a subset of B, and we write it as A, that's the subset symbol, if every element of set A is also an element of set B. Notice that this is directional, right? So A is sort of, you can think of it as smaller than B. If it's not true, then we just put the slash to the symbol and say A is not a subset of B. We could write this symbolically. We could say X, an element of A, implies X element of B. So to show something is not a subset, you find an element of A that is not in B. So if A is a subset of B, it could be the case that A and B are the same. They could be equal sets. If you know that A is definitely smaller, then we could say A is a proper subset of B, and we use pretty much the same symbol, but we leave that line out underneath. And this says that B has extra elements, meaning there are elements in B which are not in A, at least one. So for instance, let's let S be the set 1, 5, and T be the set 1, 3, 5. Then S is a proper subset of T. S has two elements, 1 and 5. Both of those elements, 1 and 5, are inside T as well, so S is a proper subset of T. We could also say S is just a subset of T, because it is. Proper is just like a special designation. What you might notice is that the empty set is a subset of any set. And that's because it's kind of like all the elements of the empty set are also elements of S. Well, the empty set doesn't have any elements to check. So when you think about it in terms of your implication, this part here is false. And remember, an implication is true if that condition at the beginning is false.